Hello YouTube. Well, this is here to answer at least a question on this Linux. If two house fans, one's there underneath, cushion, and I got another one in there, can do the job of a blower. Been running this for 2 days. Sorry about the fingerprints. Anyways, let's show you my setup. And it's cold air. As you can tell, it's all sweaty. We got one of those little ones, and it pushed the air right in there. But now I got the new motor installed. Took a while. That's a different struggle. That answers that question. Thank you, YouTube.